Tonight on TAOFLEDERMAUS, we take off with the tent pole launcher.
Plan C, or is this plan D? I don't know.
I lost count.
Yeah.
All right, we're going to try something just for the heck of it here. This is a fiberglass tent pole, one of those shock cord type tent poles taken apart. And it just happens to fit down into this smaller barrel here. We can get it lined up.
Let's see what that does.
We're going to try one of these ramshot blanks behind this thing and see what it'll do.
Yeah, desperation, desperation.
Goes like that, goes like that. You know,
What'd you made a little bushing to center it, right?
We made a little bushing here to center this up. We
Yeah.
can't use it on everything that goes over the barrel, but this is going to go in the barrel. So we can bushing it and we can center it. In the barrel.
Okay. I don't know what these will do, but it might be very entertaining. As long as we don't hit the chronograph.
One blank.
One blank. Okay. Okay, I'm ready. Oh. Three. What's the speed?
327.
Okay. It's a good engine.
Yeah.
The fiberglass tent pole started out pretty straight and true, and then it started to curve. Still, it was accurate enough to hit that foam target at 10 yards.
That was the strangest thing I've ever seen there.
We have to see what that looks like on the slow-mo.
Yeah.
We got some sort of impact. It left a line here and around the corner.
Yeah, I have no idea where that thing went either. Up to the right, maybe.
Blue chunks everywhere.
Yeah. Okay. Let's try one more of those.
All right, here we go. 1, 2.
Oh, yeah.
We got something there.
466. It looked like it hit center.
It hit here. That was my point of aim.
Wow.
Let's see what. Yeah.
Oh, it went through the cardboard core.
Went through the core, through the center,
and out.
and out through the side here. Wow.
That one actually flew straight for whatever reason. I don't know why. It no fletchings on it. Maybe if you sling them fast enough, they'll just fly straight. I don't know.
Well, we get that Archer's paradox in there.
Yeah, the Archer's paradox. That's it.
Adding a little bit of black powder to boost the charge, the tent pole flew at a higher velocity. Started out straight for the first 5 yards, and then again started to turn and yaw a little bit, but a hit's a hit. Very impressive penetration.
Okay, I'm ready. Holy crap. Do we have an error on that, or?
If a little black powder is good, then a little bit more is even better. Unfortunately, we did not get a chronograph reading on this one, but we know it was flying faster because we had full penetration and then some.
Okay, now we got, instead of black powder, we've got, what, 7 grains of E3 driving that rod. Let's see what that does. I'm ready.
All right, here we go.
Oh. Wow. It just blew out, and the arrow went out at like 10 feet per second. Okay, so we had a major failure, but it was all safe because it was inside the barrel of the shotgun.
Catastrophic failure. It actually blew the stainless open before it launched the arrow, or the shaft. Found this about, oh, maybe 10 feet past the target, just like that.
Dang it.
That was, this part here was inserted into here, thusly, and then tack welded.
Even the weld wouldn't have helped that, you know. It didn't break at the weld.
It actually blew the stainless tube open. It belled it out
Jeez.
quite a bit there.
It gives you an idea how much pressure is involved here. Wow.
Yeah,
Okay.
we found our limit on that.
Yeah. Yeah, I could drive a little light pellet at high speeds, but when you try to drive that rod that probably weighs about an ounce, no.
No.